I'm Chris Sapkowski, the Vice President of Marketing and Communications for the Bennett family of companies. And I'm just very grateful to have everyone here today to our McDonough, Georgia home office for our 4th Wreaths Across America Warriors Remember Ride and Convoy Rally.
I would like to recognize those groups that helped us this year. Friends of Andersonville, IAMAW Midfield Local Lodge, the Bennett family of companies Board of Directors, the Taylor Foundation, the Rotary Club of Americas, Piedmont Healthcare of Henry County, Citizens Bank of Americas, First State Bank, Synovus Bank, Mark and Holly O'Donnell and the Family Tree Group, Boss Crane and Rigging, and the Thunder Riders West Hog Chapter, and to each of you for all you have done to support the Wreaths efforts this year. Our chosen destination is Andersonville National Cemetery in Andersonville, Georgia. This cemetery is the final resting place for Union prisoners who died while being held at Camp Sumter, Andersonville, as POWs. The prisoners' burial ground at Camp Sumter has been made a national cemetery. It contains 13,714 graves, of which 921 are unknown. As a national cemetery, it is also used as a burial place for the most recent veterans and their dependents. Today, there are 20,200 military grave sites at Andersonville National Cemetery. A special thank you to Gia Wagner, Andersonville National Cemetery Superintendent, Charles Barr, Cemetery Administrator, and Jody Mays, Chief Interpretation and Resource Management. We will see you shortly down there in Andersonville with our convoy, and we want to thank you for all your support in helping us prepare for this day. Now we would like to recognize our Wreaths Across America rolling ambassadors, drivers that volunteered for this year's efforts and that our operations teams were able to route out of their standard duties for our customers to be able to serve this cause.